Assalamu alaikum guys, I am Faisal Sikdar. I come with more information about Crytodo project. You know that Crytodo is no code Web3 solution builder for business loans Web3 application in 5 minutes without programming skills. Their CEO and founder of Crytodo recently gave an insignificant interview to Blockchainpedia. He discussed Cryptodo's mission, future plan, and our ongoing efforts to simplify blockchain technology with no-code solution. You can create your own multi-sig contract using Cryptodo user-friendly interface with zero coding required. Their running event, which is running in gili.io, get a great attention from participants. It started in June 12 and will be end in August 12. In 15 days, 4,050 plus participants are creating smart contracts. Ideal for teams regarding shared discuss making. It mandates consensus before action, enhancing trust and transparency in your blockchain. They recently announced the integration of Crytodo with the Addertum Fandom Foundation. Now we can create and deploy various types of the apps on Fandom using Cryptodo.app without program skills. I joined here just 5 days ago, but I reached top 100 rank already from 4,000 participants. I survived day and night. Now my rank is 55. The task is very easy and enjoyable. The more leave you have, the more rewards you gain. And who have good rank, he can get good rewards. You can gain XP by doing simple tasks in question section. Cryptodo is very good and strong project. You can create your own Web3 application using Cryptodo platform. You can get extra rewards if you join the event. It's become popular in few days. Just following Cryptodo Twitter account, Discord account, and complete daily tasks. Just gain more XP to get in top. If you have Discord OG role, you will receive extra rewards. It's now very popular. Cryptodo airdrop. Never miss the opportunity to earn a reward. You will get more information about Cryptodo update. Stay with me and register in Cryptodo as soon as possible before ended. And follow my Twitter account in from description, and I will give more information about Cryptodo in next video.